Hey everyone, Phil Kurth here with another look at a feature that's coming in WP Landing Kit version 1.3. So the feature I want to show you at the moment is, I don't know what you'd call this, but it's basically support for the paged URLs you get from using page breaks in the new block editor. Now if you don't know what I mean, no problem, I'm going to show you. So let's take a look here at just a really boring blog post I wrote for example. Or for use in this example. So if we look at the post, it's got two sections, right? You got a title, two sections, and two titles delineating those sections. All right, so what you can do in Gutenberg, or the block editor, I'm not really sure what they want to call it, but is you can use a page break block. Okay, so if I come here and I add a page break block, and then I hit update, what we're now going to see is essentially a multi-part article. And if I reload this front end page here, you'll see that we only see section 1 on the main URL, but if I go and add a 2, we'll see section 2. Okay, so it's a way to create these multi-part articles. Now prior to version 1.3, WP Landing Kit didn't support these, but I've spent a little bit of time and I've got this working, so now you can essentially map domains and URIs to these blog posts, and that will be supported. So to give you an idea of this in action, we'll come over to our example domain here. I've got this mapping set up for my article. All right, so I'm setting up to single posts. All right, so it's already mapped, good. All right, so I'll grab this here and I'll open it up in a browser. And basically, you know, so we map the post or the article to the my article URI or slug, whatever you want to call it, and then we hit a slash and throw in a 2, and you'll see that we're now looking at section 2. So this is just a nice little fix for something that a few people have asked for, and hopefully it makes some people's lives that little bit easier.